Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the Nova zone here in Florida. Beautiful day. It's in the mid-80s, which is cool for this time of year. So I'm happy about that. I came out here early this morning just to fiddle a bit so I can then go and fiddle in the yard and enjoy the nice weather. I'm fiddling. That's what I do all the time. I've got some new paints and I need to practice my paddle knife. I need to practice my palette knife, which I suck at. And so that's what I'm here to do. Let's talk about our colors. Right here, isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. That started out with a little golden fluids in the teal. And I needed my paints a little bit thicker, and I was tired of messing with gel gloss to thicken them up because I had to do that with another paint. So instead I added it to it. It's some Amsterdam Turquoise Green, which helped to thicken up my paint. So you can either add your gel gloss, a heavier pouring medium, or just a heavier body paint. Let's go ahead and look at that consistency. It's kind of thick. And I hope I've got the right consistency for this. This right here is just a combination of a bunch of things. That's a little bit of golden fluids in the Azo Gold in their heavy body paint. And a new paint, which I'm very fond of. This is dried beautifully and it's a creamy, wonderful consistency. It's not a fluid paint, but it's a thin, medium body paint, which is nice for certain techniques. This is Nova Color, and this is their Burnt Sienna. What else do we have here? This was fun. I started out with Arteza in the Pearl Tangerine Orange, and it was just a little bit too in-your-face orange for me. So I added to it Nova Color in the Indian Yellow, and it made a lovely shade of orange with a little bit of a shimmer. Let's take a look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then almost last but not least, my MAC paint. That is Arteza, and that is their Bordeaux Red, my favorite red in the whole wide world. I absolutely love it. And then for funsies, right here, we have Amsterdam Standard Series in the Lamp Black, and this paint, and only this paint, is mixed with the secret sauce, the Aussie Floetrol. We are 1 part paint, 2.5 parts of the Australian Floetrol, and this paint is thinner than these paints so that it'll glide across these paints. I'm going to put some puddles down and kind of mush it around a little bit and then do some swiping, practicing with my palette knife. The other paints are mixed paint, Floetrol, and GAC 800. You're about 1 part paint, 2 parts of the American Floetrol, and a real healthy squeeze of GAC 800 for luck. And if the paint's a little bit thicker than the other paints, I give it a little more GAC 800. GAC is more fluid than Floetrol, Liquitex pouring medium, and it helps to thin down my paints if I need to. So I'm just going to add some puddles here and there, do some tilting, some swishing, some playing, and then practice my swiping. And then I'm going to really overstretch this. I love an overstretched lacing. I can't talk. I need my second cup of coffee, guys. So overstretching, and then when it dries, I might fit a little bit more with it. We'll see how it turns out, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what